All right, this video is supposed to be about house hacking. Let's see how this goes.
I'm gonna let you guys in on a secret. Something they don't teach in school for a reason, because they can't make as much money off it. Talking about the government.
Woo, I like this already. It's a brother from across the pond, the UK government and the US government, similarly, trying to keep us as victims and so forth.
Living in a rental while paying for an investment property is the best decision, is because it's cheaper than paying off a mortgage for you to live in. The people renting your investment property is paying your mortgage.
Correct.
No, it's not $1 out of pocket. It's a free fucking house. This is what they don't teach in school.
Tax write-off.
Buy this from you because they can't make the money. The interest you pay on a rental property, on an investment property, you can claim back on tax.
It's beautiful. Now, I agree, they do not teach this for a reason. Our schools, our government, they want us to be reliant on the big corporations. The big corporations and their lobbyists are the ones that bankroll our government. I should not say that because I'm probably going to get removed for it, but it's the truth. With the government, they want you to be dependent. They have more control over us when we are dependent on them and whatever they want to do and however they want to wash their money, wash our money. And so breaking free is something that they do not teach in the school system. They want us to be sheep and they want to be the shepherd and they want to control their flock. Real estate is one of the best ways to break away from it. I approve this message. Talk soon.